F-16 Fighting Falcon. As Major Brown returns to show center from your left, he will accelerate rapidly, snapping the Fighting Falcon in 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional rolling maneuverability. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Major Brown in the triple aileron roll. The ability to turn tightly is crucial. Now watch as Major Brown show you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn at show center. Demonstrate how powerful and maneuverable the Viper is. Major Brown will perform a double in less than 6,000 feet. Slowing the F-16 down in preparation for a slow speed pass. While the Viper can fly at twice the speed of sound, the slow speed controllability is just as important to those who fly it. As Major Brown approaches show center, he will apply full afterburner, accelerating the aircraft in a near vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio. and flight control system that makes the night badge maneuver possible. From your right, the F-16 and the night badge pass. As he pulls back on the stick, you will see the F-16's exceptional power and rolling capability as he climbs from 300 feet to 15,000. You've enjoyed my outstanding aircraft for the United States Air Force. Please feel free to ask Major Brown, myself, or any of our maintenance professionals. We'll be happy to talk with you. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you very much, F-16 demonstration team. And now to